Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I came to you with one more shortcut in the probability. So particularly we may across that the problems based on the coins. So when the coins are tossed, what are the possibilities to get this one? Okay, yes. So first of all, let us know the basic things. When in one coin is tossed, when one coin is tossed, okay, what are the possibilities in the sample space? Head and tail. So two chances, number of possibilities in the sample space. So when the two coins are tossed, yes, when the two coins are tossed, so number of possibilities in the sample space, it is head, both are heads, head to tail, tail to head, both are tails. Okay. So there are the four chances. I can write 2 square, right. Similarly, when the three coins are tossed, when the three coins are tossed, okay, yes, I can get 8, which is 2 cube. I can write 2 cube. Both are the three coins shows the heads, or three coins shows the tails. Like this, we will get that 3 chances. I mean 2 power 3 is 8 chances. So first of all, I am going to discussing the total chances which are in the sample space. Okay, let us see, we will get that some problems based on the coins when the coin is tossed. These are all the favorable chances. Okay, so let us see. Yeah, so coming to that, some different cases when the coins are tossed 2 times. When the coin is tossed 2 times, what are the total possibilities? What are the favorable cases? And similarly, when the coins are tossed 3 times and 4 times, I am going to explain this one. So by using the shortcut. Okay, let us see first of all, when the coins is tossed 2 times, the total possibilities are number of possibilities 2 square 4. So here the number of possibilities 2 square 4, of course 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16, number of possibilities here I am going to write. So here now we are going to write the favorable cases. So okay, yes, so when they will ask that some different cases, when the two coins are tossed, they can ask that some different problems. Okay, and in that case I am going to use the shortcut for coin to 11. So what is that secret behind that coin to 11? Okay, so what is the secret is, when the coin is tossed 2 times, when the coin is tossed 2 times, now I am going to get that the favorable cases based on 11 raised to the power of number of times the coin is tossed. 11 raised to the power of number of times the coin is tossed, which is 11 square 121. So coin is tossed 3 times, which is 11 cube is 1331. 11 power 4, when the coin is tossed 4 times, it is 14641. Let us see. So by using this 11 raised to the power of number of coins secret, how can you get that? The favorable cases are, let us see. So I will write here. So first of all, when the coin is tossed 2 times, okay, so this is 121. Okay, so for head, please you can write like this 0 1 2. For tails 0 1 2. So these are all the favorable cases for head and tail. Yes, they will ask the questions are like this. When the two coins are tossed, when the two coins are tossed, what is the possibility of getting 2 heads? Getting 2 heads. Getting 2 heads. Yes, come on. How many chances are there? Favorable chances? 1 chance out of the 4 chances. Okay. So when the two coins are tossed, when the coin is tossed 2 times, what are the favorable cases for getting tail 1 time? Getting tail 1 time, what are the possibilities are? 2 out of 4 chances. Yeah. So similarly, let me explain about this. When the coin is tossed 3 times, when the coin is tossed 3 times, what are the favorable cases are? 1 3 3 1. Okay. Let me explain about this also. 1 3 3 1. Yes, come on, write clearly 1 3 and 3 1. So for head you can write the possibilities are like this 0 1 2 3. For tail 0 1 2 3. Okay, yes, these are all the possibilities. Now they can ask the question like this: when the coin is tossed 3 times, so coin is tossed, okay, so 3 times, then question is what is the probability of getting maximum at most 2 tiles, at most 2 tiles, that is the question. Okay, Raj. So when the coin is tossed 3 times, these are all the possibilities according to that rule 11 raised to the power 3, 1 3 3 1. Now what my question is, probability of getting maximum 2 possibilities means probability of getting 0 possibility of tiles, 1 possibility of tile, 2 possibility of tile. Am I right or not? Yes, come on, you can say that. So maximum possibility 2. So 0 chances are 1 chance, and 1 time tile is the 3 chances, and 2 times tile is the 3 chances. So how can you write this one? 1 plus 3 plus 3 by, so what are the favorable cases are 8, which is 7 by 8. Like this we can calculate, that is completely depending upon that 11 raised to the power of 3, 1 3 3 1 you will get whatever it is. Suppose the same question, what is the probability of getting, what is the probability of getting at least 2 heads, that is the question. Yes, from the same thing, at least 2 heads means, so we are going to calculate that the probability of getting 2 heads and 3 heads. Okay, so this is they are asking about the probability of 2 heads plus the probability of 3 heads. Yes, come on, what is your answer? Heads you can see like this. So 2 heads there are 3 chances, and for 3 heads there is 1 chance out of 8 chances, which is 4 by 8. Okay, so like this we will get the problem. Okay, let us discuss one more problem. When the coin is tossed 4 times, let us discuss one more problem. A coin is tossed 4 times. A coin is tossed 4 times. Of course, the favorable, the total possibilities are 2 by 4, 16. Then they ask the question is, so number of heads exceeds number of tiles in number. Okay, totally there are 16 chances. Out of 16 chances, number of heads should be greater than number of tiles in number. Okay, what are the chances are? Yeah. So and again proceeding that according to that coin 11 secret. So 11 power 4, 1 4 6 4 1. Okay, yes, come on, now I am going to write this one. Head we are going to write like this 0 1 2 3 and 4, and for tail 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, these are all the favorable cases for head and tail. Now coming to the question. So in this question clearly the number of heads should be exceeds than the number of tiles. So yes, come on. So in which case the number of heads will be greater than the number of tiles in number. Okay, so here number of heads are 3. So here number of heads are 1 only, tiles are 1. Number of heads are 4. Okay, here the number of tiles are 0 times only. Okay, in this case they are equal, number of heads and tiles are equal. In that case number of heads are less. I want number of heads are exceeds. Okay, these are all the chances. In that case what are the favorable cases are 4 chances out of 16. Yes, and in this case this is the 1 chance out of 16. Total it is 5 by 16 chances. Okay, so easily you can get within fraction of seconds by using that the secret of a coin and 11. Okay, students. So okay, yes, that is about that coin 11 secrets. Okay, yes, if you like this video, please share to your friends and your juniors. Okay, and please subscribe my channel to get all my videos, and don't forget that to click that bell icon to get all my notifications. Okay, yes, be ready for the next interesting coming video. Until then, bye.